As someone who's created content for over 6 years and created over 1,000 videos myself and running a successful consulting business that relies heavily on content, let me tell you that consistency alone won't give you shit. Just doing what Gary Vee said to give away free value and just keep posting is all great advice if your end goal is to just hit a target number of videos that you need to publish. And so instead, what you need to be focusing on is impacting the right people. Now, this might sound super cliche and vanilla, but it's so freaking true. Because through impact, you improve someone's situation, and through that improvement, you make money. That's basically it, which means you need a strategy or a plan to help impact people. And that's what your content needs to be. Again, it's that simple. Because just know that content by itself is useless. It's just another medium. Like, people lose it when one of their videos or posts go viral because in their heads, they're equating views or that reach to money. But as someone who's had content go viral numerous times and working with clients whose content has also gone viral a couple of times, I'm telling you that it doesn't mean anything. Like, nothing changed after those videos went viral. It just means that that piece of content got served to more people because it resonated with more people. That's it. So the point I'm trying to really make is you need to optimize your content for an outcome right from the get-go. And that's why I'm done playing the whole views and attention game. Because it's a fucking brutal game, a mentally exhausting one where you have to now ensure that because one video went viral, you have to now continue aiming to do that with all your videos. And that is not a sustainable business model. And I can tell you, as someone who works in this space, going viral is not in your control. Organic content doesn't work that way. And so in my case, what I'm doing is I'm heavily optimizing my content for revenue, for money. And this is so liberating because now I don't give a shit if a video gets 100 views or 100,000 views. It's the same thing for me because my success metric is revenue, money made. And I can't tell you how liberating that feels. Because now I can play the long game without the worry or concern that I need to first garner the attention and then make money. And so if I can optimize for money from the get-go, I can play the game long enough, and that becomes sort of a self-fulfilling prophecy or a self-fulfilling cycle. And so that's the same thing I'll tell you. You need to create content with a strategy that optimizes for the outcome you want from the get-go. Otherwise, you're just going to be on the content hamster wheel forever. And once you do have your content strategy dialed in, then yes, consistency is the name of the game. Consistency is super key. But don't be like most people and just skip out on the thinking, the intention, and the content strategy behind why you're publishing content in the first place. Because I can tell you that's what most people do. It's so much easier to try and stay consistent and just push content out there without really know what you're optimizing it for. And not to also mention that most people are just copying what's already working in the market. In the sense, they'll see what some of the other creators in the space is doing and just outright copy it. And so the point I'm trying to make is don't be like everyone else, because then you'll just end up getting the same outcome as everyone else, where they just might end up getting some views but actually no payoff by the end of it. If you need help scaling your business or making money online using a solid content strategy, then reach out and I'd be happy to work with you and help you out. Or don't, that's fine. But what I do care about is you stop posting content for fuck's sake with the hopes that you're going to somehow make money out of it, because hope is not a strategy. On that note, if you want to create content with a solid strategy so that you actually make money, then check out this video because it talks about why 99% of creators don't make money and what you can do instead. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.